Hi! This instructional video is about finding the circumference, an area, and a radius of a given circle. Let's get started. First, we all know what a circumference is. Circumference is defined as the distance around the circle itself, the complete distance. Whereas area is, given a circle, what is the total area using squares? And that's an anomaly in itself. Why do we use squares to measure circles? That's another discussion. And when you get to higher level like calculus, when we talk about the limits, we'll talk about the area under the curve. But right now, we want to remember that the formula to find the circumference of a circle, the C equals 2 pi r. Or sometimes we say 2 times the radius is the diameter, so circumference is pi times the diameter. So either way, the area of a circle equals pi r squared. Pi r squared. No, pi's are not round here in this math class. Pi's are square. Okay? So keeping that in mind, given a radius, how do you find the circumference? So once again, circumference is 2 pi r. Since we're given a radius, might as well use the 2 pi r formula instead of a pi times the diameter. So C equals 2 times, and we're going to accept the fact that generally pi's are represented by 3.14. And the radius given is 12 centimeters. Let's evaluate whatever is the simplest first. We got 2 and a 12 multiplied. That's 24 centimeters times 3.14. And to make things a lot faster, we'll just simply use a calculator. So 24 times 3.14, it gives me 75.36. The circumference, the distance around the circle is 75.36 centimeters long. Not squared. Students make that mistake commonly. Now, given the same radius, we have to find the area as well. So area equals pi's r squared. Pi r squared in this class. So area equals, generally pi is 3.14, so there it is. The radius is 12 centimeters. Be careful now. It's 12 centimeters, and you're going to square it, including the unit measurement. So let's go and evaluate that. So area equals 3.14 times 12 times 12, because it's squared, is 144. And centimeter times another centimeter is centimeter squared. You want to show that work properly. Now, of course, we could do the multiplication on a play paper, but we have a calculator for homework. So we go 144 times 3.14, and that gives me 452.16, and it's a centimeter squared. Areas are measured in square. There it is. So now, can you do this one? Remember, this time it's given in diameter. Can you find the circumference and the area? Okay, so first the circumference equals 2 pi r. In this case, we're going to use pi times a diameter because that's a diameter. That means the radius is half of that, would have been 4, huh? So C, the circumference is 3.14 times the diameter is 8 meters long around the circle. So 3.14 times 8 meters around the circle. The total distance around the circle is 25.12 meters long. That's the distance. However, what's the area? Well, A equals 2 pi r. Now, there's a little trick. Oh, I'm sorry. No, area equals pi r squared. Whew, that was close. Pi r squared. Now, be careful. You can't just put an 8 in there. No, we need to have a radius. So we have to take the half of the diameter, which is 4, and put that into the radius. So area equals pi, which is 3.14, times the radius is half of this diameter, which is 3.14 meters radius, and we have to square that. So A equals 3.14. 4 times 4, because it's squared, is 16. Meter times another meter is meter squared. Let's take the calculator and evaluate 3.14 times 16. It's going to be 50.24 meter squared this time, because it's the area. Areas are measured in squares. And there you have it.